So let's give it a try. The first one is the letter H with the letter M. We're going to focus on not gripping our teeth, letting our jaw hang. So our molars are not touching. In order to remind our bodies to do that, we just want to let the tongue hang down nice and flat. So the tongue is not pulled back in the back of the mouth like, ah, it's ah. So letting the tongue fall forward. This is going to help us relax too. Let the tongue roll forward, sit flat on the bottom of the mouth. The molars are not touching, and just here. I'm going to start at the top of the range and we're going to come down. The words are, my mind is messy, up, down, up. So we're going to sit at the top at that perfect fifth. My mind is messy, up, down, down. Down is nice and wide. Down, up. Okay. My mind is messy, up, down, up. Breathe. My mind is messy, up, down, up. 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 Mind is messy, up, down, up. My 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 mind is messy, up, down, up. Last one. My mind is messy, up, down, up. As low as you can go. Let that chest feel that resonance, feel that vibration down there. If we have any congestion, that will start to loosen it up. And we're just going really easy. I was in and out. Sometimes you stop, sometimes you start, sometimes you forget to breathe. That's okay. You have all of that repetition to just practice, taking that breath, chewing those consonants. My mind is messy, up, down, up. And then also enjoying the vowel sounds and the opening. Up, down, up. Just playing with the shape of the mouth and trying some new things is going to expand your awareness as a singer. Next, we are going to hold this note for as long as we can, from a high tone to a low tone. So I like to call this a vocal swoop. So we're going to start with the word fall, then we're going to do the word fair, and then fight. So we're going to take a big breath in. Next word is fair. Big breath in. Fair. Don't forget that R at the end. Next word is fight. eyes wide, fair, almost smiling, thinking about the tips of the lips, the outside edges of the lips. And then fight is fa, fight. So fall, fair, fight. Okay? Play around with those. That high tone to a low tone is a nice way to work on that breath control, on strengthening that diaphragm muscle. Next, we are going to do rubber baby boy. We're going to start nice and low at an F, F3, and we're going to go up to like a C5 or so. And it's just doing a nice little walk down. So it's rubber baby boy, breath. Rubber baby boy, rubber baby boy, rubber baby boy, on your own. Rubber baby boy. Those are fun to roll those vowels, roll those diphthongs through. The last one we're going to do is my favorite, tie your shoe. So shoe should vibrate in the back of the throat here. Shoe. And then tie is really wide in the front. Tie your shoe. So think about that sound kind of moving back as far as where the sound is coming from. Tie your shoe. Okay, even though the sound is driving forward, the placement is moving back. So it's kind of a fun, like, opposing motion. So we're gonna start up here. Tie your shoe, tie your shoe. And you could even go higher. Tie your shoe, tie your shoe, tie your shoe. As high as you want to go. I'm gonna come back down here and we're gonna go down the scale. And 4 in between to breathe. Tie your shoe. Breathe, 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 breathe. Tie your shoe. 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 Switch over, new voice whenever you want. Tie your shoe. 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 How low can you go? Tie your shoe. Tie your shoe. Last one. Tie your shoe. Shoe. We don't really sing down there, but it's good to practice. Thank you so much for joining me on that warm-up. Hopefully you are ready to sing. You're feeling good, connecting to the breath, connecting to the shapes in the face, and just feeling a little bit more ready to sing so that when we go and start working on those difficult songs, those transitions, those tough melodies, we feel ready, like we feel empowered to do so. So follow me for more warm-ups coming to you soon at Breathe Music.